Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how we can go on Instagram Live. Alright, let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram app on your phone. Then if you want to go on Instagram Live, you can click on this plus button right here. Just click on it and then there will be several options for you. You can choose post, story, reel, or live. And if you want to go to Instagram live, you can click on live option right here, and you can click on this button um, s- to start the live. And there is another way to go on Instagram Live. You can simply swipe left your screen. Then you can click on Live to start the Instagram Live. You can click on this button to start the live. Alright guys, that's how we can start, or we can go to Instagram Live. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.